If I will compare this with Machu Picchu, I would say that Pisac is bigger than Machu Picchu. Yeah, because this Inca site has more farming areas than Machu Picchu. Yeah. Let's say, just an example, yeah, Machu Picchu, you know, the farming areas that Machu Picchu has nowadays was able to supply food for more than 1,000 people. Yeah, and if we compare that with these terraces, so Pisa was able to feed more than 5,000 people, guys. So it's like 5 times more, yeah, in terms of farming areas. So what we can find in this Inca site is actually 12 different farming areas. So that will also mean that we'll find 12 different microclimates in this Inca site. Yeah, so we talk about farming areas or agriculture terraces, guys, that you can see down there. So one of the main functions of them was actually to create different microclimates. Yeah, that's one of the ideas. Imagine if you can one terrace or 2 terraces from the bottom of to the top. Yeah, temperature will change in between 1 to 2 degrees Celsius more or less. So in that way, Incas were able to introduce and acclimate crops along the year in different elevations. So that was one of the functions. Second functions of terraces. One of the second function will be actually to against the erosion of the mountain. As you can see, you can actually clearly get the idea of that. Why they wanted to get the erosion of the mountain? Mountains actually were considered as apus, that means gods in the Incas time, guys. God. Yeah? Actually, there is an interesting book that says that Incas thought that mountains were gigantic people who got petrified. Yeah? And that's why they considered them as protectors of them. And the best way to against the erosion was actually building terraces. 14th, 16th century, my friends, production in South America used to be, and it still is probably, 3 times than the production from Europe. So the third function of the terraces was actually to increase the land for farming purposes.